Всем привет, and welcome to my channel Burgers and Borsch. Here we're gonna get a taste for Russian. My name is Konstantin. As you're taking your initial steps in Russian, you have to keep in mind that in Russian, every noun has gender. There are 4: masculine, feminine, neuter, and plural. When you learn a new word, you need to learn its gender. Fortunately, you can tell the gender of most nouns by their ending. Let's take a look. Он – доктор. Она – собака. Оно – метро. Они – книги. Alright, let's see how it works. So normally, words ending in consonants tend to be masculine. For example, лимон, чай, дом, Borsch. And of course, there are a few noble exceptions. Папа, дедушка, дядя. They have feminine endings, but we know that they are masculine because the words themselves describe men. Words that end in a and ya tend to be feminine. Россия, еда, pizza, цель. Oh, and by the way, words that end in soft sign, мягкий знак, tend to be either masculine or feminine. So actually you never know, you just have to memorize them. Neuter words usually end in o or е. Яблоко, окно, солнце, море. The most important exceptions are время, имя. Plural form is used when there's more than one of something. So regardless of the endings, you know that the noun is plural when it describes a group of things. However, there are some nouns that are always plural. Люди, часы, туфли, джинсы. In the second part of our video, we're going to take a look at the pronouns and how they change according to the gender of the noun. I'm sure you will quickly find some similarities. Мой, моя, моё, мои. Мой дом, моя машина. Моё окно, мои джинсы. Твой, твоя, твое, твои. Твой билет. Твоя мечта. Твое вино. Твои деньги. Его, 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 его. Его брат. Его девушка. Его яблоко. Его часы. Ее, 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 ее. Ее цветок. Ее сумка. Ее расписание. Ее туфли. Наш, наша, наше, наши. Наш суп. Наша страна. Наше будущее. Наши друзья. Ваш, ваша, ваше, ваши. Ваш студент. Ваша песня. Ваше время. Ваши уроки. Их, 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 их. Их адрес. Их работа. Их мнение. Их вещи. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Друзья, спасибо за поддержку и до встречи. Увидимся.